You said you will be telling some more spelling rules of verbs that Toady had learnt.
Oh yes, Alex. I have not forgotten. The next time when Toady went to Miss Remy, she taught him some more rules that helped him to understand about the different spellings.
Toady, did you practice the lesson that you had learnt in your last class?
Yes, ma'am. I have practiced all the rules that you have taught me.
Okay, so let's see some more spelling rules today. Verbs ending with W, X or Y do not double the last letter. Even if there is a vowel in front. Toady, do you know why I am telling W, X or Y? Because these three letters are consonants and you have learnt to double the last consonant if there is a vowel in front. For example, draw, snow, fix, stay, play. We write DRAWING, SNOWING, FIXING, STAYING, PLAYING. Did you notice that I have not doubled the last consonant even though there was a vowel in front?
Yes, ma'am. This rule is different than the last one. But why in eating we don't double the last consonant? There is a vowel before T.
Toady, there is another rule for it, and the rule is if there are two vowels in front of a consonant, then we don't double the last letter. For example, eat, E-A-T. It will be E-A-T-I-N-G. Like wait, W-A-I-T will be W-A-I-T-I-N-G. Dream, D-R-E-A-M will be dreaming, D-R-E-A-M-I-N-G. Speak will be S-P-E-A-K-I-N-G, speaking. Feed, F-E-E-D will be feeding, F-E-E-D-I-N-G.
I have got a word.
Yes, Toady, please say.
Keep, K-E-E-P will be keeping, K-E-E-P-I-N-G.
Well done, Toady. And now, I will teach you about the verbs ending with IE. Here, you have to remove IE and add YING, like tie. TIE will be TYING. Lie, LIE will be LYING. Die, DIE will be DYING. Y, VIE will be V-Y-I-N-G. Toady, I want you to practice the rules that you have learned today.
Miss Rimi, thank you so much for helping me to understand the spelling rules. Now I am much confident.
Thanks, Kyra. This lesson was really helpful for me too. So, Alex, this was the story of Toady, who did not give up. Friends, today's lesson is also for you. So please practice what you have learned.